This video will show how to proper way change the battery on this 2003 Chevy Astro van and any GM vehicle around 2003 area, because let me see. First of all, when you open the case, battery is right here. But do not ever put the battery out this way, because this is little slot right here. You have to lift up the battery, right? Then it will cause this bracket to break off, right? Then you have to re-weld it back like me using this. Yeah, I just said I'm not doing a good job of it, but guess what? It works. So I learned my lesson. So proper way change battery is when you open the back cover, and remove the whole thing out, and take off this panel. And as you see, slide out straight. Right? Slide out straight this way. That will prevent lift up this battery like a way I show you. Then you can break up this the metal piece, and then you have to weld it back like I did. So prevent that mistake. Make sure take off this panel completely off from the rubber piece and slide battery out straight this way, like I did. Let me show you. As you see, all right. Okay. Okay, and then put it back right in this way. This way you don't have to break this bracket, and then you don't have to buy the tool like me and weld it back. It's such a pain. So prevent the mistake. Always take this panel completely off, slide out this way. Never lift up the battery to take up the battery. You will break the bracket. Okay, thank you.